The Health Sciences Academy is a program for rising 9th and 10th grade students who want to explore different health sciences careers, whether it be on the patient care side, more on the research side, more on the administrative side. Just an opportunity for them to come into a professional setting and to explore the different options they have in the healthcare field.
The first day we actually learned to suture, practice washing our hands properly, and we learned how to talk to patients.
They were able to visit the neurology lab and see some actual brains and get a chance to see the part of the brain, the hippocampus, that's in charge of memory, and the amygdala in charge of emotion.
We went to ODU, EVMS, and Norfolk General.
Going to Centera and doing the Nightingale was cool because you got to see what they do and the stuff that goes on behind the scenes. I decided to be a part of it because I wanted to get a glimpse behind the scenes of what goes on because I wanted to be a nurse.
I was already interested in the medical field, but after the Health Sciences Academy, I definitely am more interested in the medical field.
We couldn't do this without the donors. They are more than they would ever know needed, and we are more than they would ever know grateful for everything that they've done for us. So thank you, donors. I've seen some of the students that are a little unsure about their direction, and then when they come here, it's like they're just so engaged. And for a teacher, that makes the teacher feel really good, because if you have that knowledge, if you have that thirst for finding out more information, then the sky's the limit.